Umentri rangba ke jelau kondat ke sangma oleh thu bagi pulit kila Kem Uwei breu bala suba bu Donkti haga bebo bom hapalor ke Ophis Npp haga sautari urisau arhaja arpoi. Ukondat ulang bagi pulit kidang pelong ke jingtoket yauni breu. Laban kedua hang ni bahaka sautarik lalap yu bom basan kilo balakam balale ke HNLC dah ke berniam ru iki menteri ke sorkar MDA berkumjur ru iki nong trei berkinong kersan jang keseng NPP.
Yes, there has been one arrest that has been made, and interrogation is on, and the concerned person has already admitted that he was the one who had placed the bomb here. And through that, more investigation is taking place. I will not be able to share details with you right now. At the same time, there are another few individuals involved in not just this but last bombing also. They have also been traced, and you will get more updates as the day proceeds. So maybe towards the evening, I will give you more details on that aspect. But I can inform to you that the individual who had placed the bomb here has been arrested, and interrogation is on, and we are going to get more leads through him. At the same time, as I said, some more developments will take place towards the evening in terms of others who are involved in this particular incident.
So just to add to this, there's a fear that is looming large among the public considering all of this development. So how do you see the law and order situation overall?
The law and order situation is fine. This was a very isolated incident that happened. Of course, we're not undermining the seriousness of it. It is a serious matter and serious breach, and therefore definitely the police department and all will do everything in their capacity to ensure that, number one, the people responsible are caught, and also to ensure that these kind of incidents don't happen in the future. But overall, the law and order situation is very normal, and we will ensure that in the future we will do every step that is required to ensure that such incidents don't happen. And as I mentioned, in this regards, already concerned people have been arrested. At the same time, more developments will take place towards the evening, which I will give information about.